In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set professional goals using Clickup. Let's dive right in and start by explaining what Clickup is. Clickup is an all-encompassing app designed to make work processes more efficient. It helps in task management, time tracking, and most importantly for today's session, setting goals. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Clickup. It's the starting point for accessing all the features they offer. You'll see the homepage welcoming you with a clean, organized view. In the top right corner, there's a login button. Go ahead and click that. Once you're on the login page, if you have a Google account, you can streamline the process by clicking Sign in with Google. This option is designed for convenience and security, saving you time from having to remember another password. After clicking, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the one linked to your professional work environment. Now you're into your ClickUp account. The real magic begins here. On your main page, locate your list and you'll notice three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options button. Click it. A drop-down menu appears offering various features. From here, go ahead and select Templates. This is a hub of predefined frameworks that can jumpstart your goal-setting process. Next, hit Browse Templates. Think of this as a library filled with numerous design structures at your disposal. To find what we're focused on today, type goal into the search bar. This will filter the list so you'll see options specifically tailored to goal creation. After finding a template that suits your needs, notice the option labeled Quick Use. Clicking this allows you to implement a pre-made framework directly into your workspace, sparing you from starting from scratch. Once you've applied the template, it's time to refine it. You'll see the list of created goals. Again, find those three little dots next to your goal, click them to see the option Rename. This is your chance to personalize the goal, giving it a title that resonates with what you want to achieve. Rename it to something relevant that clearly defines the objective. At this point, you can edit the list of goals further if needed. Adding specificity will sharpen your focus. Take advantage of the ability to edit existing tasks within the goal or add new tasks, making sure every step is leading you closer to achieving your objective. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've learned how to effectively set professional goals in ClickUp. By leveraging templates and customizing them to meet your specific needs, you'll be well on your way to achieving tangible results. Remember, the clearer and more dynamic your goal setting process is, the more productive and fulfilling your work life will become. Thanks for watching and happy goal setting.